A CD usually sells for $17. Okay, if the CD is 20% off and the sales tax is 8%, what is the total price of the CD including tax? So I'm going to show you two different ways to do this one. The first one is we're just going to figure out what 17 times 0.20, because that's 20% as a decimal, equals, okay? And I know that 2 times 17 is 34. And I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers after the decimal. So this would be $3.40 off. So now I'm going to say, okay, it was $17, but now I've got a sale. I'm subtracting that $3.40. So 10 minus 4 is 6. Bring down my decimal, and I do get $13.60. So now I'm going to take the $13.60, and I'm going to figure out how much tax is going to be charged to that. Now the sales tax is 8%. Okay, to find that out, it's 8 over 100. So that is the decimal is 0.08. Okay, so I am going to do 1360 times 0.08. Okay, 8 times 0 is 0. 8 times 6 is 48. So I carry a 4. 8 times 3 is 24, plus 4 is 28. 8 times 1 is 8, plus 2 is 10. Okay, if I multiply the 0 times everything, it's still going to be 0. So I look, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers after the decimal. So I'm going to have 4 numbers after the decimal in my answer. Because this is sales tax, it is money. So I look here, this 8 is big enough to round that 8 to a 9. So it's going to be $1.09 in sales tax. So $13.60 plus $1.09. So it would be $14.69 total. Now, another way that you could do it, I did tell you that I was going to do two different ways. So I'm going to change my color down here, and I'm going to take $17, and if you have 20% off, you're only paying 80%, because remember, you have 100% of the item, subtract 20, you get 80. So I'm going to multiply this by 80%. So 8 times 0 is 0. 8 times 0 is 0. 56. 13. So it would give me $13.60. Okay. Which is, notice the same amount here. And now to do the sales tax, you take $13.60 and you're paying 100% of the item plus the 8% sales tax. So 100% is 1 plus the sales tax is 0.08. Okay, so that's 108% because that's what we're paying. So if I multiply by that, 8 times 0 is 0. 8 times 6 is 48. 8 times 3 is 24, plus 4 is 28. So that is 10. Put in my placeholder, and then 0, 0, 0, 0. Put in 2 placeholders. And 1 times everything is 0, 6, 3, 1. Okay, and I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers after the decimal. So I have 4 numbers in my answer. Okay, we look at this 8. It is big enough to round it up, and I can get 1469. So there are two different ways you could do that. Either one works. Just choose whichever one works better for you.